What does to be short for mean? Hi, I'm Jeff McQuillan from ESLPod.com. To be short for is usually used when you have a long name and you want a shorter form of it, a kind of what we would also call nickname. For example, the name Patrick can be shortened to Pat. So Pat is short for Patrick. Al is short for Alfred. Will is short for William. And of course, most importantly, Jeff is short for Jeffrey. Now, there's a similar expression, to stand for. To stand for is usually used with initials. For example, FYI stands for your information. The initials or abbreviation ASAP stands for as soon as possible. And on the internet, on Twitter and in text, you sometimes see LOL. LOL stands for laugh out loud. If you'd like a free 30-minute English lesson, go to our website at ESLPod.com. ESL stands for English as a Second Language. From Los Angeles, California, I'm Jeff McQuillan. Thanks for listening.